Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to add the new column into a data frame using PySpark. As you can see, I am in the Databricks notebook and my cluster is running because here uh, green dot is showing. So you can consider the cluster is running already. So let's see. In PySpark, you can add a new column to a data frame using the withColumn method. And the method requires two arguments. The first argument is the name of the new column, and the second, a value or the transformation to define the content of the new column. So we have a multiple approaches adding the new column in a data frame. Like you can see, add a new column with a constant value, and we can also add the new column based on the another column. And we can also another way like with a conditional expression. So let's jump write the code with the first approach. So for this, we have to import our Spark session first. So from PySpark dot SQL dot SQL, we will import our Spark session and we will create a object Spark like Spark session dot builder dot app name, and we can give a app name, add new column dot get or create. We can print our Spark also, is it running or not. Spark, let's run this. So our Spark session object is created on this location. Let's first create a data frame. We will take a sample data, that is the name and age. So data, we can take data in our list into a tuple formats. Name is Alice and we can give age is 13. Another tuple, age is Bob, name is Bob and age is 25. Sorry guys, we will take the another name is Charlie and age we can consider 35. And while creating a data frame, we have to pass the schema also. For schema, we have a basically name and age. For that, I am creating a new column variable and store this column value. Name and age. And we will store our data frame into df is equal to spark dot create data frame, and we will pass the argument our data and schema. So data and our schema is in columns. Let's print our data frame. So df dot show and hit the run button. Okay, we can see our data frame name and age, and the records are the Alice, Bob and Charlie. Let's create a new column in exist data and data frame. So df We can take a new column like country. So def new column country. Def dot earlier we saw the method with column into with column in PySpark for creating a new data frame. So we will use this with column, and we will pass two arguments. First is the name of the column. So we can name it country, and we will pass the that constant value, and the constant value may be USA. But we cannot pass it directly. We will pass it you for atomic value or the constant value. We will use the lit function. But we have to import that lit function from our PySpark functions module. From PySpark dot SQL dot functions import lit. Okay, so it is our new data frame is created, adding the new column. We can show it def, and our column is new column country dot show. As we can see, the new column country is created, and the USA country is assigned to all the records. Now our the second approach is add a column with already existed column on the base of the another column. So like in this data frame we have a age column, right? So on basis of age column we can we have a condition like we will multiply with 2 with age column. Okay, so how can we do it? Def, and a new column, maybe we can name it double age, is equal to, we have a data frame df dot with column, and we can name it double age. Now we have to give the another arguments, that is our age column, and we will multiply it 2. So let's see our data frame. So df new column double s df underscore, okay, 1 second, I have named it color dot show function. But if I run this code, so it will basically put the error because we did not import that call function. So for that we have to import the call function. We can import it from PySpark dot SQL dot functions import call. Now let's run. Okay, you can see here our new created column double age, and the value is doubled with the age column. Like for Alice, the age previous age was 30. Now I have doubled this this value, so it is 60. Okay, so let's see our third approach, adding a column with conditional expression. How can we do it? Okay, let's say we have a age column. Now we are distributing these age into a multiple categories. Multiple categories, that means if our age is less than or equal to 25, so it will be in another category. Otherwise, we have to give the another. So for this, we can take any categories like let's do that. Df, maybe we name with the df with category, and we have already created df column, df data frame, df dot with column. The first argument will be the same because we have to give it the column name. So we can the column name can be like category, and now we have to write the expression, that conditional expression, like we are using here. If the age is less than or equal to 30, then we will name it young generation. Otherwise we will into the adult category. So for this we will use our when method, and call is less than or equal to 30, so we will name it, that will be the ang. Otherwise adult. Okay, but for this we have to import our when function from PySpark dot sql dot function. We can import our when function. Let's show the result. Df with category dot show. Let's run the code. Okay, you can see if we applied the condition, if age is less than or equal to 30, then that record will be fall in the young generation. Otherwise, it will be the adult generation. So you can see here, like we saw the three approaches for adding a new column. I hope you guys understand very well. So yeah, okay. Thank you so much.